Hello, it's Glamstract here, another video, another foundation review. And today's foundation is the Power Gold by Guerlain. And you are in for a treat because this foundation is simply the best. The packaging has changed, they've gone into a glass jar and the lid is still gold. The shade that I've picked for myself is 02. And since we're doing a Guerlain review, I am also going to feature in this video the brand new terracotta blushes from Guerlain. So we have three shades over here. We have the 00, 01 and also the 02. As usual, I am on the Guerlain website. I'm just going to read through you a few little details before we dive into foundation application. Inspired by gold, the symbol of beauty and eternity, Guerlain creates Parure Gold. With their sensorial texture and luminous finish, the product of the Parure Gold face range enhance women and reveal a radiant and more youthful looking complexion. Now, instead of women, I would put everyone. But anyway, awake your youthful radiance with mother of pearl and a hint of 24 karat gold. Parure Gold features a sweat-proof and heat-resistant formula that adapts to every season and region. Parure Gold has a distinctive and delicate floral scent, the first peach note blend with an accord of vegetable notes in fresh and sparkling. The rose, raspberry and jasmine heart is enriched with benzoin and white musk. Now I love how they're actually describing the fragrance that is inside this foundation, because it is sometimes a little bit tricky to describe a fragrance of foundation. Now, instantly skin appear moisturized and the complexion more luminous, radiant and even. Day after day, bare skin appears smoother and more radiant. Skin texture appeared redefined. Overall, skin quality is improved. Primer, I've picked the Forever Skin Veil from Dior with SPF 20. Here in the UK, this foundation retail for £65. The brand new terracotta blushes, they retail for £43. And they are 90% natural driven ingredients. I have been using this foundation for quite a long time now. Probably I would say over a year. No, probably two. A year and a half. Let's say a year and a half. And boy, is absolutely stunning. I don't want to jump into conclusion, but it's almost impossible not to, because this foundation is the mother of all foundations. It's absolutely stunning. You know it. I have tried this foundation with the three method of applications, with brush, sponge, and also my fingers, and also with different types of primers, such as matte, radiance, or more natural hydrating primers. Also with powder and no powder. But brush is my personal favorite. And it works both with powder and no powder, and it works with any sort of primers you're using as well. One pump of this foundation for me goes a long way. It is a quite solid formula. It does not run down the back of my hand, which is lovely because that means it's going to grip onto my skin and stay put. And that's what we want in a foundation. The texture when I'm working into the back of my hand is so creamy and beautiful, and you can see the radiance right away. I know I have just read on the website that this foundation has fragrance. In fact, it very carefully describes to you what are the notes of the fragrance in this foundation. And the first thing that you might think is, especially if you have a sensitive skin, oh, it seems to be packed with fragrance. It does have fragrance, but it never broke me out. My skin is pretty sensitive and this foundation has only done good to it. There was a period of time that I was using this foundation almost every day and I could truly see a difference into my skin. It just felt more radiant, even and supple. This foundation lasts beautifully throughout the day. It does not emphasize pores and does not sit into pores. It does not emphasize fine lines, but obviously, throughout the day, your fine lines will show, as I usually mention on this channel. It blends in like a dream. It truly feels on the skin like a dream. It is one of the best foundation I have ever applied on my skin. Foundation applied all over my face. It's absolutely stunning. This truly is the mother of all foundations. I know I sound quite repetitive, but it is a beautiful foundation. It's just so creamy on the skin and it feels like butter. It's like perfect. It just merge into the skin and it really feels like your skin, but better. It definitely has a medium coverage. I think you can definitely build it up to a fuller coverage if you want to, but like this, I am happy. And your skin is just oozing with radiance and vitality, and it's just beautiful. Since we're talking about Guerlain, I am going to use the Terracotta concealer. Here you go, concealer applied. If you want more insight about this concealer, I did a review not too long ago about the Terracotta foundation and the concealer as well. You can click on the link that will appear either on the top, or if you go into my page, you'll find it. I'm going to softly set my face just ever so slightly with the Guerlain loose powder. Powder applied, let's get into the brand new Terracotta blushes. As I said, I have 3 shades, 00, 01 and 02. The shades that I'm going to use today is 00 and 01 together. Both of them have such a lovely pinky neutral tone. 00 and 01. As you can see, definitely one is more like a baby pink and one is like a slightly bluey pink, but they're both quite neutral and quite delicate. And the way I've been applying these blushes, the reason why I use them together is because I like to go with the 01 on the back of my cheeks slightly higher, and then I go over with the 00, which is slightly more pastel pink, closer to my nose but not so much, and sort of blend it in with the other blush. Now starting with the 01, the slightly deeper tone, and I'm gonna hit the back of my cheekbones. And what I love about this is that it gives a slow release of color, so you can really build up this blush to your desired intensity. And just like the website claims, it does stay on pretty much all day long. And now with the 00, the lighter pink, I'm gonna hit closer to the front of my cheeks. Blush applied as well. As you can see, it gives such a beautiful, soft, elegant touch of rouge to your cheeks. Since I'm not going to apply the 02, which is a sort of corally shade, into my cheeks, I'm going to try my best and give you a swatch of this shade on here. I don't know if you can see on the back of my hand, this is the corally shade and is beautiful, stunning. This is beautiful, especially like for summertime. I think it will look so nice on a slightly tanned skin, but even now, winter, spring, it looks quite nice too. And there you have it. So this is the review of the Paragold foundation and also the Terracotta blushes. I am absolutely obsessed about both products. Again, this is one of my top favorite foundations. This is a special occasion kind of foundation. It's that treat that you put it on for yourself, sort of to feel luxurious and to have a perfect porcelain, flawless skin. It's truly amazing. Now is your time to let me know in the comments down below what you think about this foundation and the brand new blushes. Have you tried them? Have you not? Would you like to try them? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But also, if you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up as well, because why not? Let's spread the love. While you're here on my YouTube channel, why don't you just go ahead and subscribe down here? It will help me a lot to grow up my channel and spread more reviews. Spread, give you more reviews. Hopefully spread more positivities, because my channel is all about positivity. Obviously, sometimes we do get a foundation that doesn't work, but if it doesn't work for me, it doesn't mean it's not going to work for you. So always keep an open mind when it comes to cosmetics. Thank you very much for watching once again, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.